Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a really fun unboxing with ReadYourHeartJewelry. They sent me 3 beautiful pieces. I'm wearing them right now and I'm really excited to show you the packaging and tell you more about this brand. So let's just jump right into the video. Now I really want to show you close up all of the pieces that they sent me. They are breathtaking. But additionally, I do have a discount code that would save you 15% off at checkout, and the code is 15Angela, so I'll leave that on the screen right now, but definitely check them out down below. I will leave the link to everything. So now I'm going to talk about the 3 pieces that I received. This bracelet is stunning. It's in gold and it has a chain link design to it. I think it looks really classy. And of course it has the moissanite stones in it and it fits my wrist perfectly. I could see myself wearing this every day or for a formal event or a party. Next, I got this simple solitaire necklace. I'm wearing it right now. And I love that it's such a timeless and classic piece. Like I said, it has the 6 prongs to it and it's just very versatile because since it's just one little stone, it can kind of be a tiny little statement piece with, once again, formal attire or something really casual. It's great for work, travel. It's lightweight, comfortable, and I think it is beautiful. And then this oval eternity band is definitely more of a statement piece. I probably wouldn't wear this every day because it is blingy and it really stands out, but it is really shiny and I love this. It looks extremely expensive, and you could also stack multiple rings with this one. I love the oval shape and how it has the longer stone and it really has great finger coverage. So this one is beautiful and sparkles like crazy. So now I want to tell you a little bit more about this brand and how they actually use moissanite for their jewelry. So Read Your Heart has perfected lab-created moissanite, which is a durable, brilliant, and affordable gemstone ideal for fine jewelry. So now I'm going to compare moissanite versus a diamond. Moissanite offers higher brilliance, more fire, excellent toughness, very high heat resistance, and costs about 1/10 the price of a diamond. It delivers more sparkle for a lower price, is durable enough for everyday wear, offers exceptional value, and it's eco-friendly, which I love. As the most popular diamond alternative, it's perfect for engagement rings and fine jewelry that stays brilliant and beautiful over time. Now I want to tell you all a little bit more about this brand because it's really special how it was founded. So Read Your Heart Jewelry creates modern, timeless pieces designed to celebrate life's happiest moments. And the brand was founded by Alyssa, a fashion magazine editor. After she took a life-changing trip to the Antarctic, that's when her company was born. And her jewelry is actually inspired by the breathtaking Aurora Australis. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed taking a look at the pieces that I got, and I think Read Your Heart Jewelry is such a great alternative to diamonds. It will save you a ton of money, and who doesn't love something that is eco-friendly? So if you are in need of bracelets, rings, necklaces, earrings, or a gift for someone really special this holiday season, definitely be sure to go click the link below and you can use my discount code for 15% off. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you love this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.